Hi, it's Joe from WHR Marketing, and today we're going to focus on the Semrush Gap Analysis feature. Okay, so if you go here and just click Keyword Gap, okay, that will take you to this part here. So this first bit, you're going to put your website. So as I've been pretending to be a plant company throughout the Semrush series, I'm going to head over to the domain overview, and I've typed in patch plant. So scroll down and you'll be able to find a competitive positioning map, which will show you, if I click on it even, all the competitors of patchplants.com. Right. Once we've got that, so we can look at the common keyword level. So we can see that these websites are ranking for lots of similar words. So I'm going to take lots of these and I'm just going to put them as our competitors. So you want to use as many as you can, really, and then you'll see where the magic happens with this tool. If I open it, it'll be easier. Okay, and then we are patchplants.com. Right, then you just need to click compare, and this is a real amazing feature. So look, as you can see, it's already done the analysis up here, and it's going to feed it through down here. Right, you can see it more visually over here on the keyword overlap. Top opportunities for you. So we are being patchplants.com. That's our company we're mirroring today as a demo. So we're missing all of these keywords which some of our rivals have. So we can use these to build content around to outrank our rivals. We can click the weak ones. So these we're not ranking very well for these keywords, so we can build better content for those keywords up there. And then if you go down here, okay, this is really interesting, because if you imagine we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 rivals and plus ourselves, so there's 5 of us here. There's 312 shared keywords, okay, which means that these are words that are most probably profitable in our industry if we're focusing on plants. So if we're not ranking well for one of those, so if we to be fair to patch plants, they're ranking so well for so many of these keywords. So here, large indoor plants, we're ranking 25, where some of our competitors are at ranking number 1. So we're not doing too well compared to them here. So we could build some content or make a new page, work on our backlinks back to a page based on large indoor plants, so we can start outranking our competitors and making extra profit. Then you've got the missing feature. So if you click here, so with the missing feature, these are words that all of our competitors have that we don't. So as you can see down this column here, we don't have any of these keywords. Okay, so all our competitors have are ranking for these keywords, but we're not. So again, we can start looking at those keywords and start building content to start outranking our competitors, and again making extra profit. So we can see the volume of the keywords here, keyword difficulty, and the cost per click, so you can sort that however you want. Next one is weak keywords. Again, look, it means that our website is weaker than our competitors, so we're not ranking at the top compared to the other 4 competitors here. Again, we can start building content, more backlinks to rank higher than them. Then we can look at the strong keywords. So we can use this feature to see how we're ranking much better than our competitors, and in this feature it will mean that all of the other competitors are ranking somewhere for these keywords, okay, but it shows you that we are ranking higher, so we can that's really useful information to know. Untappd, another really interesting feature to know. We don't have any rankings for these, but some of our competitors do, but they're not doing too well with them. So again, we can start looking and think these are real easy wins. Okay, so there's not much competition so far from our competitors. Okay, so we can start planning content around these keywords, and some of them, look at the volume on some of these keywords down here. Okay, so very interesting to know what's untapped amongst ourselves and our competitors. The next one is unique keywords, so that's for what we are ranking for, but the others are not ranking for at all. So as you can see, look, only our bar here is green. They have got no rankings at all amongst all 4 competitors. And then you can check them all together with all keywords here. Okay, so as you can see, the keyword gap analysis feature, it allows you to check what you're ranking for, compare it to your competitors, and it allows you to start planning and building content around keywords that are either missing or weak or untapped, and so on. So it's a real amazing feature. If we go back to gap analysis, if we look at backlink gap analysis now, so we want to do the same thing that we just did. Hopefully it's got some of these competitors. All plants, that's probably one. Let's get just some of these competitors in here. This is another amazing feature on planning your backlink strategy. Let me just open that. Okay, then you just click find prospects. So again, what this one's doing with the backlink gap analysis now, okay, is showing you what where we're getting our backlinks from, and are we missing any. Okay, so are our competitors getting high quality backlinks that we are not? So we can find those opportunities, and we can reach out to those referring domains and try to get those backlinks to our websites as well, therefore increasing our authority and our page rank on Google. So as you can see here, 1 out of 5 matches, okay, that's us. Okay, so we are ranking, we have this keyword already, so you want to try to ignore your own ones. Okay, so you can go down here, we got 0 links here. Okay, 0 links, but all plants have got 10 links from this high page authority from awin1.com. So what you can do here, if you click view, it will show you the exact source page. Okay, so if I click here, that will show you the source page, and it will show you the anchor text. Okay, that is linking back to allplants.com. Okay, and as you can see here, this is a decent page authority score, so that's a really valuable backlink that we could target. So if we go to this website, okay, and we can reach out to the editors and say, look, we've got some amazing products or some amazing content, it will really benefit your audience. Would you mind dropping this link within this article? It will work really well. If we go back, I'll just show you a few more. So you can sort it by matches. So all 5 of us have got backlinks from this, so we don't want to be looking at that. We want to be looking at the backlinks where our website here has got 0. So here's a good one. So 3 of our 5 competitors have backlinks from tomfaulkner.co.uk, but we don't. Okay, so we want to view these backlinks. How to refresh your home this spring. Okay, so if we click on this page, this page here will be linking back to bloomboxclub.com. so it's telling us the anchor text here. So hopefully if I type that in, right, we can see it on the page. Okay, so they're getting a quality backlink back to their website. So we want to reach out to this website and say, it's awesome content. We can see that you're linking to some really quality websites. Please check out patchplants.com, okay, because we really think it will benefit your audience. Okay, and yeah, I'm not even going to go into backlinks, that's a whole nother story. It's not as simple as that, but that's the most simple terms of what we're talking about. So that's the backlink gap analysis. What you can do is the same sort of thing for the bulk backlink analysis. For this one though, rather than having 4 or 5 competitors, you can literally start typing in all of those competitors to compare backlinks. So you can make a list of up to 200 rather than 5. That's the main difference. Okay, please subscribe to our channel and please like this video. There's a couple more Semrush videos in this series to go. Before we go, I want to say, if you don't like watching videos and you prefer reading, we have a Semrush review, which I'll leave in the link in the description below. It has the promo code within the review, but I'll also put the Semrush promo discount link in the description. And as an SEO agency, we offer a free online business report to help you get more customers, clients and sales. So all you need to do is put your name, your email address and website URL. Again, I'll leave this in the description below. And before you go, the comment I want to know is, what is the best SEO tool that you've used? I'm Joe from WHR Marketing. See you next time.